Hey, this is Kalam again here. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a manager on your cPanel. This is very easy work. So if you are beginner, don't worry, keep watch this video. I guarantee you after watching this video, you are able to add a manager on your cPanel. So let's get started. First, I'm going to my cPanel. You can see this is a cPanel. You need to log in here just then charts preference, then user manager. Just click here, then you can see this is my domain address, then click add user, then choose a name, example of kalam. This is a basic information. You need to set a name, then username, then username, then be this one, then domain, then choose a email address. This is a email address. Put your which person at this cPanel use their email address. Example of abc@gmail.com. Just click this icon. Then if you want to set a password, then set this password. This click on. Then if you are not able to generate a password, just click this icon, and then when a new user receive this email, then he person create a password, then login. Then I want to set a password, example of 121212. Example, you are able to generate any password, then confirm your email. This password you must be two type, example of the here and this one. Then again, this, if you want to select email, then this person access 1 GB email, example of your domain address espci so apk. Then this person got a email address. Then I want to click, I am not interested to click here, then I want to give you just access for my cPanel. Just click. Then when you click here, then these buttons are ready for click, then click, then your this person and manager automatically add. So if you want more video, please subscribe my channel, turn on notification. We'll see you again. Take care.